In this video, we will demonstrate the installation of OpenResty X-Rays agent service on Ubuntu using the deb packages. Let's log in first. Enter your account name. Type in the password. Click on Sign In. Click on Go to Console. It'll take you to the guide for the agent installation. Let me show you how to install via the deb packages. First, choose the operating system. It's Ubuntu in this case. Select the version number of the Ubuntu operating system. Choose the network installation. Make sure your machine can access the internet. If your curl command is not available, you can install it with this command. You can also upgrade the CA certificates package to the latest version with this command. This is the agent installation command. Click to copy the command. On the terminal, paste what we just copied. Run this command to install the agent. This can take a bit depending on your network latency. Please be patient. The installation command was completed successfully. Let's go back to the web console. This command can check the status of the agent service. Click to copy. Paste and execute this command to check the status. We can see it's running normally. We can also check error log messages with this command. Let's copy it. Paste and run this command to check the error logs. Great. No error messages at all. Let's go back to the wizard page. In non-production mode, the system will take a more aggressive approach to analysis to get results faster. The production mode is for analyzing online production environments. It tries hard to minimize the performance impact on the target applications and servers. It may take longer to analyze though. The paranoid mode is similar to the production mode, but it will try to further reduce the performance impact on the target server's request latency. Accordingly, it will take longer to sample. Let's automate the detection of running applications and containers on the target system. These are the target applications automatically detected. If you need to add a new application to detect, you can customize the configuration. You can type in the new application name. Select the type of application. You can select the process corresponding to the new application from the list here. Click to initiate analyzers. The analyzers just started running. Click on Traffic and Load. The system has detected there's sufficient traffic and load on the machine. It can only conduct meaningful analysis when the target application has traffic and load. Let's enter the console dashboard. Go to the Insights page. Wait for the first analysis report since the first agent was just installed. The report in Insights page is generated by aggregating all applications on all agents. You can watch the progress in real time. We can see that the first fully automated analysis report has already been generated. Daily and weekly reports will be automatically generated regularly in the future. Go to the dashboard page. We can see flame diagrams and charts for various kinds of applications, such as Go, OpenResty, and Python applications. To install another agent, just click here. It's still the same step as we did earlier, to install the agent on Ubuntu using the deb packages. To install on other operating systems, or use installation methods like containers, just click here. We're back to the wizard page we saw previously, where we can choose different installation options or operating systems. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.